Hello class 6, I am Ashok, your English teacher, present here with a new video for you. Today I will discuss the fourth chapter of the book Honeysuckle, an American Indian Women in Space, Kalpana Chawla. So let us start the discussion with the column before you read. In 1997, an Indian American Kalpana Chawla. So Kalpana Chawla was called Indian American because she was born in India and she became American citizen after her marriage with Jean Perry Harrison. She was part of the international crew. Crew means group of people who were there in US Space Shuttle Columbia, and she became the first woman born in India to go into space. And when she was on her second mission in 2003 in the same spacecraft Columbia, it ended in tragedy and she lost her life. Now let us see other activities are there. A space shuttle is a spacecraft that is made for repeated space travel, for example between Earth and a space station. So it is different from rocket, because rocket is for single use, but a space shuttle is a spacecraft that is made for repeated space travel. Use a dictionary to do the tasks below. Find out the meanings of the following words and phrases. Look up the words underlined in the phrases. Naturalized US citizen. Naturalized means citizenship granted to a foreign citizen after she fulfills the requirement. Space means the boundless expanse in which all objects exist is called space. The limit of knowledge or the most advancement in the field of space is called frontiers of space. Here you can say that frontiers are borders of space. Aboard means on board. Lift off means the action of spacecraft or rocket leaving the ground. Crew means a group of people who work on and operate a ship or aircraft. Notice the spellings of these words in this lesson: airplane and program. This is how these words are spelled in American English. How are they spelled in British English? So there is slight difference in spellings of these words in British English. Spellings in British English are AEROPLANE and program PROGRAMME. Now see, this is a news report which was published here there after the tragedy in space. US Space Shuttle Columbia breaks into flames. So this was the headlines. In an unprecedented means which happened for the first time. So this was for the first time that a space tragedy occurred there, and US Space Shuttle Columbia carrying India-born American astronaut Kalpana Chawla and 6 other, means total 7 members were there in Space Shuttle Columbia, and it broke apart in flames as it streaked over Texas. But when it was flying over Texas, and it got collapsed there when it was coming down towards its landing strip on Saturday, 1st February 2003, and all the members aboard there were killed. The shuttle lost contact with NASA at about 9 a.m. So about 9 a.m. the shuttle lost contact with NASA. As it came in for landing, it was flying at an altitude of over 2 lakh feet. So it was above 2 lakh feet in the sky and traveling at over 20,000 km per hour when ground control lost contact with the shuttle. So this was the speed of the spacecraft, 20,000 km per hour when it got collapsed. Columbia had lifted off on 16 January 2003. So this was the day when this spacecraft Columbia lifted off, means it went into the space from the Kennedy Space Center in Florida. It had stayed in orbit for 16 days and the 7 members crew counted 80 experiments. So this space shuttle remained there in space for 16 days, and 7 members who were there in space shuttle They conducted 80 experiments before it began its downward journey, which ended in tragedy. Means they could not reach safely at the Earth, which ended in tragedy. This was Columbia's 28th space flight, and the shuttle was said to be good for 100 flight. So this was said that space shuttle Columbia was for better for 100 flights at least, but it collapsed in its 28th flight only. So this was the news. Now see, this is the text of the chapter, para number 1. Kalpana Chawla said that she never dreamed as a child in Karnal that she would cross the frontiers of space. It was enough that her parents allowed her to attend engineering college after she graduated from Tagore School. So, Kalpana Chawla was of the view that she never dreamed as a child in Karnal that she would cross the frontiers of space. It was enough for her that her parents permitted her to attend engineering college after her graduation from Tagore School. After a Bachelor of Science degree in aeronautical engineering against great opposition from her father, she went for a master degrees to the United States of America. She later earned her PhD in aerospace engineering. Kalpana Chawla was the first Indian American woman astronaut to blast off from it is in the next from the launch pad at Cape Canaveral, Florida, and participate in a successful mission in space. Her family from India cheered along with staff at the Kennedy Space Center as they watched the Columbia lift off. So in this part of the text we read that despite her father's opposition, Kalpana went for master degrees to the United States of America. After completing her bachelor's degree in aeronautical engineering, later she did her PhD in aerospace engineering. She was the first Indo-American woman astronaut to take off from a rocket launching site at Cape Canaveral, Florida, for a successful mission in space. Her family from India cheered along with the staff at the Kennedy Space Center as they watched the Columbia liftoff. Now see the next part of the text. Kalpana was born in Karnal, Haryana, but was a naturalized US citizen, married to flight instructor Jean Pierre Harrison. Besides being an astronaut, she was licensed to fly single and multi-engine land airplanes, single engines, seaplanes, and gliders. She was also a certified flight instructor. So Kalpana Chawla was born in Karnal, Haryana, but was a naturalized US citizen, married to flight instructor Jean Pierre Harrison. Besides being an astronaut, she was adept at flying single and multi-engine land airplanes, single engine seaplanes, and glider. She was also a certified flight instructor. After qualifying as a pilot, Kalpana began to consider another challenge, applying to NASA's Space Shuttle program. She was first hired as a research scientist at NASA in 1994. She was selected by NASA for training as an astronaut. So after qualifying as a pilot, Kalpana Chawla took another challenge and applied for NASA's Space Shuttle program. First, she joined NASA as a research scientist. In 1994, she was selected for training as an astronaut by NASA. When asked what it was like being a woman in her field, she replied, I really never ever thought while pursuing my studies or doing anything else that I was a woman or a person from small city or a different country. I pretty much had my dreams like anyone else, and I followed them, and people who were around me fortunately always encouraged me and said, if that's what you want to do, carry on. So people asked her about her feelings as being a woman in the field. She replied that she never thought that she was a woman or she belonged to a small city or from another country. Rather, she had her own dreams and she followed them like any other person at at that place. And fortunately, people in her surroundings always motivated her to pursue her dreams and carry on with the areas of her choice. So everyone around her encouraged her to fulfill her ambition in life. Next part. Kalpana's first space mission in Space Shuttle Columbia was 15 days, 16 hours, and 34 minutes long. During this time, she went around the Earth 252 times. 252 times she uh, went around the Earth, traveling 10.45 million kilometers. The crew included a Japanese and a Ukrainian astronaut. So means Japanese and Ukrainian astronauts were also with her. The crew performed experiments such as pollinating. Pollinating means the process of taking pollen from one place to another for fertilization. Plants to observe food growth in space and test for making stronger metals and faster computer chips. So, all for a price tag of about $56 million. So, these experiments were conducted, and the cost of these all experiments was $56 million. On the Saturday night, when the news about the Columbia disaster broke, there was shock and disbelief. Means when this news was there coming in TV, all were shocked and they were not believing that this could happen. The town of Karnal spent a sleepless night as thousands of households stayed glued to their television sets in the hope that Kalpana and the crew had somehow survived. And the crew had somehow, a journalist wrote, she was a heroine. It takes enormous ability to become an astronaut. You need to know a lot about everything from biology to astrophysics to aeronautical engineering. In this age of super specialization, you must have encyclopedic knowledge to be an astronaut. Her achievement is inspiring. So some words are there. Glued means stuck, enormous means huge, encyclopedic means comprehensive and complete. Astrophysics means branch of astronomy that studies physical nature of uh, celestial bodies, means stars, etc. Aeronautical means science of building aircrafts. Awe inspiring means stunning, astonishing, amazing, remarkable. So people were filled with grief and were not able to believe that news of Kalpana's disaster, Columbia's disaster, sorry. They were stuck to their television sets to get the news of Kalpana's survival. A journalist called her a heroine. It is a matter of huge potential to be an astronaut. One needs to have a thorough knowledge of every subject from biology to astrophysics to aeronautical engineering. Her achievements were actually remarkable. So this was there in this part of the text. Now see the next part. For millions of young Indians, the story of Kalpana Chawla, a girl from a small town who touched the skies, had become an inspiration in a message that she sent from aboard the space shuttle Columbia to students of her college in Chandigarh. Kalpana said, "The path from dreams to success does exist. May you have the vision to find it, the courage to get on to it. Wishing you a great journey. There will surely be many who start off on this journey to fulfill their dreams." So Kalpana's story stimulated thousands of young minds to do something creative and innovative. She touched the skies and became an inspiration for many. She even sent a message from Columbia to the students of her college in Chandigarh. She said, "The path from dreams to success does exist. May you have the vision to find it, the courage to get onto it. Wishing you a great journey. There must be many people who might have even started their journey to make their dreams a reality." So this was the message given by Kalpana Chawla to her friends at Chandigarh College. This was all about. These are the word meanings. Allowed, permitted, astronaut, a person trained to serve as a crew member of a spacecraft. Blast off, take off from a launching site. Besides means apart from. Gliders means fixed wing aircraft. Pursuing means following or continuing. Pollinating, to the process of taking pollen from one place to another for fertilization. Disaster means a sudden accident or natural calamity that causes damage or loss of life. Disbelief, lack of belief. Glued means fixed. Enormous means huge, encyclopedic, comprehensive and complete. Astrophysics, branch of astronomy that studies physics, nature, or of celestial bodies like stars. Aeronautical science of building aircrafts. Awe-inspiring, stunning, astonishing, amazing, remarkable, etc. Aboard means on an aircraft or spacecraft. So these are some of the words which may be difficult for you. This is the homework. Note down the difficult words meaning in your notebooks and summarize the text in your own words. That's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.